Hey everyone! In this video I have several interesting and unique catches of various Norfolk Southern freight trains that were all very cool to see, but unfortunately did not have enough footage to feature their own video. Regardless, these catches will make an excellent compilation video. Let's check it out! This first freight train is a local Norfolk Southern freight based out of Reading, Pennsylvania, the H47. This job travels from Reading to Evansville in order to serve several industries on that line. While railfanning at the Temple Railroad Station, I caught H47 coming off of the Evansville line and back onto the NS Reading main line in order to travel back into Reading for the day. Our next two freight trains were actually some Norfolk Southern freight that I caught outside of Pennsylvania. While I don't know their symbols, I was able to catch two trains in Bassett, Virginia during a pit stop on the way to a recent vacation. These two trains featured several forms of leased motive power, including several Union Pacific locomotives, as well as a locomotive marked WFRX, which stands for Wells Fargo Rail Corporation. The locomotive in question, WFRX number 8868, is currently being leased to Norfolk Southern, hence its appearance on this train and making quite a lucky catch. And lastly, I have the footage of my very first Norfolk Southern Heritage unit. I spotted the Reading Railroad B-Line Service Heritage unit on my way home on a tied-down 27P, which is an intermodal train, and at the time of the recording it had recently been repainted and was in stellar condition. Despite the low light conditions from night already setting in and the low chances of getting any good shots, I stopped to grab what I could with my iPhone. While it wasn't the most optimal conditions to catch the Heritage unit, and my attempt to chase the train after it departed did not result in any success, I was still very glad to see this locomotive in person, and I hope to catch it again soon. With this being my last catch, this will wrap up today's video. I hope that you enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next adventure.